During the launch of Starship Flight 7, the upper stage ship experienced what is called a rapid unplanned disassembly, or RUB. This is a term used for the sudden breakup of the vehicle in flight, including an explosion. True to SpaceX nature, they have quickly revealed the basic cause of the breakup. Early analysis indicates that a fire occurred in the aft section of the vehicle. Evidence of the fire can be seen in the video that was transmitted down from the vehicle. It has already been noted by a number of people. According to Elon Musk, there was an oxygen fuel leak in the compartment above the engine firewall of the spacecraft. The leak was big enough to build a pressure that exceeded what the vents were designed to handle, resulting in the breakup. Initial remedy ideas. Double checking for leaks, this one is rather obvious. Adding fire suppression to the area behind the firewall. Probably increasing the vent capacity. None of this suggests a need to delay the next flight beyond next month. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.